Are you tired of losing money in casinos? Are you looking for some tricks to turn the odds in your favor to cover your losses and make some sweet cash? Then you have come to the right place. I'm about to show you a secret method that will allow you to win roulette and will also give you the mathematical reason behind that. So watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hi there, this is your boy Elixir, and this video I'll show you a secret mathematical method that will allow you to win roulette. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. This is a tried and tested method that has been used by professional gamblers for years, and I'm going to show you how it's done step by step. So stay tuned, because this could be the one thing that finally allows you to beat the casino at their own game. This is an age-old gambling concept that is popular among professional traders. In its simplest form, it involves betting the same amount if you win and doubling your stake if you lose. This strategy is seen as a way to recoup losses quickly and has been used in casinos for centuries. It doesn't ensure a 100% chance of getting a win, but it surely maximizes the chance of winning to more than 90%. Now, without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So the basic principle is that there is a total of 37 numbers you can bet on, and each color has 18 numbers. So if you bet on one color, it means you have 18 to 37 chances of winning the bet, which is close to 48.6%. The first thing you need to do is to find a classic roulette table with only one zero. Always remember this: the more zeros on your table, the more chances of you losing. After you pick the table, place a bet of $10 on red. If you won, place the same bet again. If you lose, then double the bet amount and change the color, which means bet $20 on black. If you win, you will get $40, which means you are in $10 profit. So now start over the whole process again. If you lose, then double the amount again and change the color, which means bet $40 on red. If you win, you will get $80, which means you are in $10 profit again. So now start over the whole process. If you lose, then again double the amount and change the color, which means bet $80 on black. If you win, you will get $160, which means you are in $10 profit. So now start over the whole process again. And if you lose, stop playing. It's very important to have discipline while using money, and most people keep losing money because they don't have discipline. If you lost 4 consecutive rounds, just accept it's not your lucky day and come again some other day. Now let's look at the probability of this happening. But you might be thinking, if the probability of both the colors is the same, then why are we changing color on every loss? I'll explain that in a moment. But first, let's look at the probability. So when we took the first bet, there is a 48.6% chance of us winning and a 51.4% chance of us losing. If we won, we will start over. If we lost, we bet again, and now we have to bet double. Similar to the first bet, again there is a 48.6% chance of us winning and a 51.4% chance of us losing. If we won, we will start over, and if we lost, we bet double again. Like before, 48.6% chance of winning and a 51.4% chance of us losing again. If we won, we will start over, and if we lost, we bet double for the last time. Again, 48.6% chance of winning and a 51.4% chance of us losing. If we won, we start over, and if we lost, we will leave the table for today. But we can see that the only situation in which we lose money is if we lose 4 times in a row, and the probability of that happening is 51.4% to the power of 4, which equals only a chance of 6.95% of us losing. We have a 93.05% chance of winning money, and that's quite awesome. I know you're still thinking why we changed color after every loss. Well, because if you keep doubling on the same color, then the casino will recognize the pattern and can rig the game or maybe ask you to leave. Although this technique is legal, but casinos don't like this. So now the main question is, will I recommend this strategy to you? No! The reason is that the risk to reward ratio is not in our favor. If we win 4 bets in a row, we will only make $40, but if we lose 4 bets in a row, we will lose $150. But if you want, you can give it a try and see if it works for you. Make sure to stay disciplined and set limits on your losses. If you love this strategy, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will try to make more interesting videos for you soon. Till then, keep calm and happy gambling.